A very good morning and welcome to the Morning Bulletin. This is Sania Patel and you are watching HW News English. Now it's time to dive into the morning's top headlines. Yoga Guru Ramdev is going to the Supreme Court today because his company Patanjali Ayurved's advertisements were called misleading. In the last court session, the Supreme Court criticized Patanjali for not following its orders and told Ramdev and the company's managing director Balkrishna to attend court today. After the hearing, they apologized to the court without any conditions. They said Patanjali's goal was just to encourage people in the country to live healthier lives using its products. Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi, will be spending the next 14 days in Tihar jail following his arrest last month in connection with an alleged liquor policy case. During his time in jail, he will be provided with home-cooked meals, bottled drinking water and toffees in case his blood sugar levels drops suddenly. He will also be allowed to meet his wife Sunita Kejriwal and access bed linen from home. Due to being a diabetic patient with a weak immune system, he will also have medical equipment to monitor his health. Kejriwal will stay in jail number 2 where his former deputy Manish Sisodia and other opposition leaders such as Bharat Rashtra Samiti's K. Kavita are also being held about this case. Google has agreed to settle a lawsuit accusing it of tracking millions of US users who believed they were browsing the internet privately. According to court documents filed on Monday in San Francisco Federal Court, if a judge approves a proposed settlement, Google must delete and remediate billions of data records associated with people using the Chrome browser's incognito mode. The crew of 20 Indians and 1 Sri Lankan aboard the container vessel involved in the collision with the Key Baltimore Bridge last week continue their regular duties on board. They will remain on the ship until the investigation in the accident concludes. A spokesperson for Grace Ocean Private and Synergy Marine stated that the crew is assisting investigators from the National Transportation Safety Board and the Coast Guard. The vessel Dali collided with the Francis Scott Key Bridge over the Patapsco River on March 26 en route to Colombo, Sri Lanka. Let's jump to the next bulletin. The snooping case unfolding in Telangana potentially impacting the upcoming Lok Sabha election took a significant turn as one of the arrested police officers, Radhakrishna Rao, alleged that cash was transported in official vehicles during the 2018 and 2023 assembly polls. As per the police's remand report, Radhakrishna Rao claimed that individuals including Pranit Rao, Bhujanga Rao, Tirupatana and Venugopal Rao conspired under the leadership of the State Intelligence Bureau Chief T. Prabhakar Rao to ensure the BRS retained power in Telangana. He cited examples from the Dubbak and Munugode by polls to support his claim. That's all for the morning bulletin. Keep watching HW News English and download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.